নমস্কার, আপনারা দেখছেন চলছে চলবে রণজিতের সঙ্গে। নিত্য নতুন প্রতিবেদন পেতে চোখ রাখুন আমার এই চ্যানেলে। আমরা যে কাজটা করছি সেই কাজটা মেইনস্ট্রিম মিডিয়ার করা উচিত ছিল। দেখুন, আজকে সরকারের এত সব দুর্নীতি বা অস্বচ্ছ প্রশাসন, সেগুলো মিডিয়ার উচিত ছিল মানুষের সামনে সেইভাবে তুলে ধরা। কিন্তু মিডিয়া, আমরা দেখেছি, হয় রাজ্যের শাসক নতুবা কেন্দ্রের শাসকের হয়ে কাজ করে। তাই আমরা যে কাজটা করছি, যদি আপনাদের ভালো লাগে, অনুগ্রহ করে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন, তাহলে আমাদের এই কাজে আরো উৎসাহ যোগাবে। এবারে আসছি মূল প্রতিবেদনে।
Are only taking the money from the exchequer of the government, and they are not discharging their duties. And so four girls in a class and one student in a class. I asked headmaster, what is না স্যার ছুটির পরে খুলেছে স্কুল, কেউ এখন আসছে না, আর তোমরা যাও না কেন বাড়িতে বাড়িতে গিয়ে ছেলেদের ভিতরে এ করো, এ কি গোয়িং? I saw that only 5 or 6 students are there and 5 teachers are there. Very surprising, my lord. That his learned lawyer made submission and your lordship recorded it. That's why
Yes,
that is totally illegal and false, frivolous,
you,
fictitious.
there is no
No
complaint
cause,
against you.
nothing, my lord. He is flouted by the contemner. Your lordship passed the order on 4/2/2022. Before that, my lord Justice Rajsekhar Manta also passed the order on 16/12/2020. For the election, your lordship specifically directed the them in that mentioned in your lordship's order.
Somebody represented you in the writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
Why are you appearing in person now?
As because, my lord, they are not my lawyer is not Ghosh and her junior is not interested, and I asked him vehemently, repeatedly, that to file the contempt petition, as they did not comply the order, court's order, and the madrasa is going to be dwindled down, my lord. On 30th October, I had been there. That the erring teacher, he had took the transfer in collusion with his superior officer. Superior, that means Madrasa Service Commission, and he had constructed and he had made one school, madrasa, which has got no existence. That has been published in the newspaper, my lord. And he had appointed his wife, and his salary had been stopped, and he had paid away from this school, and he had done everything in collusion with the administrator. And the administrator had merely flouted your lordship's order as well as the order of my lord Rajsekhar Manta.
Is the administrator Mr. P. Das still
Das.
there?
He is there.
He is there.
He is there, but my lord, it is very, your lordship will be highly astonished. The authority, Madrasa Service Commission, as because Mr. Das is, as I learned on 30th October, that as he was inept handling, he could not hold the election. So one DDO has been appointed by themselves. And the block development officer is now DDO, and they are only taking the money from the exchequer of the government, and they are not discharging their duties, and Madrasa school is going to be dwindled down. And because there is no supervision, there is no nothing, and they are coming and going. I saw that only 5 or 6 students are there, and 5 teachers are there. Very surprising, my lord. And I had donated the very valuable land. I was the donor, founder, I was the president, and besides that, I was the previous superintendent judicial officers, my lord. Your lordship will be highly.
What are the criminal proceedings that are pending against you?
I am not myself, my lord. The teacher who had Arabic teacher, not a criminal case, my lord. Criminal case pending against the erring teacher Mujibur Rahman, my lord. He had embezzled the madrasa's fund.
Is any complaint? You are Alhaj Intas Ali Shah.
Yes, my lord.
There is a recording that there are several allegations against the petitioner regarding
That's why
misappropriation.
his learned lawyer made submission, and your lordship recorded it.
Yes.
That's why that is totally illegal and false, frivolous, fictitious.
There is no
No
complaint
cause,
against you.
nothing, my lord. Besides that, I filed 2 cases, GR case number 1072 2019, and CRR case 2555, GR case 2108-2021. These 2 GR cases pending before ACGM Haldia. as because he had embezzled the fund, he had threatened me. My lord, he claimed that I am the man of, in SMS, he had threatened me that I am the man of Abhishek. I don't know who's Abhishek. And my lord, Mr. Justice Sampad Sarkar asked me that you lost the complaint. That's why I lost the complaint, my lord. And after assuming, after perceiving everything, he took the transfer in collusion with the Madrasa Service Commission and my DAV.
Please come.
My lord, stringent order be passed, my lord.
The petitioner appears in person. Stop. It has been submitted that the order passed by the court on 4th February 2022
Yes, my lord.
has not been complied with till date. Stop. It has further been submitted that the administrator of the madrasa
HP Junior High Honor, sir.
has been removed and a DDO has been engaged by the West Bengal Board of Madrasa
Yes, sir.
Education.
Yes. On
Stop. The subdivisional officer is
video,
the,
block development officer.
the block development officer. Which block?
Nandigram block 1.
Nondigram.
Yes, my lord.
Nondigram block 1 is the DDO, is acting as the DDO of the madrasa. Stop. It has been submitted that there are only 4 or 5 students. How many students?
That all, my lord, surprisingly on 30th October, I had been there. My native village is there. I had been to the school. I saw only 4 girls in a class and 1 student in a class. I asked headmaster, what is, না স্যার ছুটির পরে খুলেছে স্কুল, কেউ এখন আসছে না, তোমরা যাও না কেন বাড়িতে বাড়িতে গিয়ে ছেলেদের ভিতরে এ করো, এ কি তোমরা আসছো বেতন নিয়ে চলে যাচ্ছো?
So it has been submitted by the petitioner that the attendance of the madrasa is extremely poor and the students hardly attend the madrasa. Stop. The madrasa is not under proper supervision
Yes, my lord.
of the concerned authority. Stop. Next. It appears that the administrator of the madrasa
Yes,
was
I,
impleaded as the contemner in the contempt application. Stop. As the administrator is no longer functioning and a DDO has been appointed accordingly.
not intimating the court, my lord.
Accordingly, let a notice be served upon the West Bengal Board of Madrasa Education.
Yes, my lord.
Acha, let the contempt application be served. Notice বললাম তো, contempt application be served upon the West Bengal Board of Madrasa Education. The
After
matter
that.
is made returnable on
21st. That will be all.